How to log out your account on Manus AI. Are you guys facing issues to log out your account on Manus AI? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open Chrome on your laptop or mobile devices. Once you open the Chrome, just simply search on Manus AI website. As soon as you enter the website, log in into your account with your registered email and password. If you don't know how to create an account on Manus AI, then make sure to check out our guide on how to do it. Once you get logged in, now just simply look at the top right corner of your screen where you can see this option for your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. After you click on your profile icon, you'll be provided with multiple options. Just simply look at the last option where you can see this option for sign out. You are looking to sign out your account, right? Tap on sign out. Now click on log out. That's it, guys. That's how you're going to log out your account from Manus AI website. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.